How to log in to Amazon.ca Rewards Mastercard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Amazon.ca Rewards Mastercard account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for Amazon.ca Rewards Mastercard login. Then you'll find the MBNA Canada website. You can head over there. So after you're here, you'll find your Amazon.ca Rewards Mastercard. You can tap on the login button on the top right. After that, before we move on, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So after you've pressed on the login button, all you have to do is tap on login name and type in your name here, whatever your name is, and then finally your password. Then tap on the login button to log in into your account. If you've forgotten your name or password, tap on this to reset it. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.